Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. It is not just about hidden talents. It is about unlocking doors to a future you never imagined. It is not just about finding what you are good at. It is about learning how to use it to shape your life. Have you ever wondered what makes you different? What makes you stand out in a crowd? Many people spend years trying to answer these questions. They look for something special, something unique, but often they stop at simply discovering their talent. Discovery is important, but it is only the beginning. The real power comes when you use that talent to make an impact on your life, your career, and even the lives of others. Self-discovery is like finding a hidden treasure. It feels exciting at first, but the treasure is not meant to stay buried once you know what you're good at. The next step is to ask, how can this change my life? How can this help others? Think about someone who is a great listener. That might not seem like a big deal, but in a world full of noise, a good listener can bring peace to a friend who needs to talk, or even become an excellent counselor or leader. Your talent may feel small, but its effect can be big when you use your talents. Life feels more meaningful. You start to enjoy what you do because it comes naturally to you. Imagine being in a job that uses your best skills every day. Work would feel less like work and more like purpose. Talents also help in relationships. If you are creative, you might bring joy to others through art, music, or ideas. If you are good at solving problems, you can help your family and community. In times of need, your talents are not just for you. They are tools for making the world better. Many people stop after they discover their talents. They say, "Oh, I'm good at writing," or "I'm good at organizing," but then they do nothing about it. That's like finding a map to a treasure and never taking the journey to claim it. The question is not only what am I good at, but also what can I do with it today? This book will guide you through that journey, turning self-discovery into action, and action into impact. Most people recognize their abilities but fail to imagine how far those abilities can take them. For example, someone who loves drawing may think it's just a hobby, but it could become a career in design, illustration, or animation. Likewise, someone who enjoys helping others might one day lead a team, guide a community, or start a service-based business. The key is to see beyond the obvious, to imagine not only what you can do, but also who you can become by using your talents. When you use your talents intentionally, your confidence grows. You begin to see challenges as opportunities instead of obstacles. For example, a person who is naturally good at organizing might transform a messy schedule into a clear plan, freeing up time for family and personal growth. A natural communicator may learn to speak in public, inspiring others and gaining career opportunities. The more you use your talents, the more fulfilled you feel. It becomes a positive cycle. Talent leads to impact, and impact fuels more growth in the professional world. Talent is more than a nice-to-have. It's a powerful advantage. Employers and clients look for people who bring unique value. Are you good at problem solving? That talent could make you a key decision maker in your company. Do you have an eye for detail? That ability might make you the best person for quality control, research, or editing. Are you creative? Your ideas could lead to new products, campaigns, or solutions. The workplace rewards people who know their strengths and use them to create results. Your talent isn't just a personal gift, it's a professional tool. When you share your talents, you inspire others to do the same. Think of an artist who inspires someone to try painting for the first time, or a leader who motivates their team to aim higher. Talents don't exist in isolation. They create ripples. This ripple effect is powerful because it creates a community of growth. Your courage to develop and use your talents can become the spark that helps someone else start their own journey. Imagine your life 5 years from now. You've discovered your talents, built them into skills, and started applying them to real-world situations. What does your career look like? How have your relationships improved? How do you feel about yourself? Visualization is a powerful motivator. When you can see the potential of your abilities, you'll feel inspired to take action, not someday, but today. Many people stay in the what-if stage. What if I had more time to practice my talent? What if I turned my hobby into a career? What if I could inspire others? Dreaming is exciting, but without action, it fades. The key is turning those questions into what now. Clear steps that move you forward. Start small. Choose one talent you feel excited about. It could be something creative, analytical, or people-oriented. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to work on everything at once. Focus creates progress. Once you choose a talent, set a goal you can measure. If you love writing, commit to writing 200 words a day. If you enjoy cooking, try creating one new dish every week. If you're good at teaching, share your knowledge through a blog, short videos, or a local class. Small steps build confidence and skill over time. An action plan keeps you on track. Ask yourself, when will I practice my talent? How will I track my progress? What resources, books, courses, mentors can help me improve? Write down your answers. Plans written on paper feel more real than ideas floating in your head. Sharing makes your journey meaningful. Talk about your progress with friends or post updates online. Not only does this keep you accountable, but it also encourages others to explore their own hidden talents. True growth happens when using your talent becomes part of your daily life. Think of it like exercise. The more consistent you are, the stronger you become. Taking action can feel scary. You might fear failure or judgment, but remember, every expert once started as a beginner. Mistakes aren't proof you're failing. They're proof you're trying. You have talent some you already know, others waiting to be discovered. But discovery is only the beginning. The real magic happens when you put your abilities to work, shaping your life and touching the lives of others. Take a moment to reflect. What talent have you uncovered during this journey? How will you use it today, this week, this year? Your impact grows with every step you take. Whether your skill is creative, analytical, or people-focused, it has value. It can improve your career, strengthen your relationships, and inspire others to do the same. Now it's your turn. Share your talent in the comments below. Tell others what you've discovered about yourself and how you plan to use it. Your story could be the spark someone else needs to start their own journey. Remember, the greatest talent of all is the courage to begin.